and this is night. Correct? At night, what happens? Everything rests, rejuvenates, recalibrates the resonances and the information that they have received. One, we do not breathe in fully, and so this activity of resting for the producing organs does not happen right now. Correct? And then we shallow breathe out also, और वहाँ पे डे फटाक से चालू कर देते हैं. And we hold our breath here. Most of you hold it here. You do not allow it to go. So it is neither experiencing day properly, neither experiencing night properly. It is not able to produce fully. And on top of that, because it is not producing properly, your blood report will say blood sugar borderline, cholesterol बढ़ गया है, थोड़ा सा ये समस्या है, थोड़ा वो समस्या है, तो और नए नुस्खे चालू करेंगे. क्या? Now I have switched only to raw food diet. Now I am drinking so and so juice, so and so fruit. उसका काम बेचारे का और बढ़ा दिया. ठीक है? वो already collapsing maso था. What you have done is you have hit a collapsing maso. What did I say? You always support, tonify the masses. Okay? Give it more strength. If you want natural, real natural health, the first and the most fundamental step is you need to breathe correctly. Food plays 3% role in your physical nutrition. 3%. 97% breathing. 97%. Okay. इसको रेस्ट करने को टाइम दो. Okay. So inhale very deeply. Before I forget, yin tonifies the yang. Okay? Yin tonifies the yang and yang tonifies the yin. It is a circle. ये समझ में आया? हेलो, इसके रिगार्डिंग सवाल है तो पूछ लो अभी. What do I mean? Yin tonifies the yang and yang tonifies the yin. And yin, when in balance, शक्ति अगर बैलेंस में आ गई तो वो शिवा को उतना ही एनर्जी देगा. शिवा बैलेंस में आ गया तो वो उतनी ही ज्यादा शक्ति इकट्ठा करके वापस लाके टंकी में भर देगा. गेटिंग दिस? बट व्हेन इन इम्बैलेंस, yin consumes the yang away and the yang consumes the yin away. दोनों खत्म हो जाते हैं. गेटिंग दिस? क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों दिख रहा है मेरे को? क्या कंफ्यूजन दिख रहा है? गो ऑन.
I was just analyzing what you're telling about the energy level of when you said
infinity. Yes. The law of resonance says whenever there is a higher frequency in an environment, the lower raises itself to meet the higher. It is never the other way around. Okay? Yes? The same way, yin tonifies the yang and yang tonifies the yin. Simple. दिया दिखा है, उसमें घी डालते हैं, ठीक है, और जला दिया. What is ghee?
Fuel.
Fuel. Yin. Correct? What is the light? Yang. Correct? अब अगर फ्यूल कम होना चालू होता है ना, तो yang और भड़कता है. Right? Getting this? What do we immediately do?
घी ज़्यादा डालो।
और मोर घी, करेक्ट। एसिडिटी तुम्हारे शरीर में बढ़ गई है तो एंटासिड दबाओगे कि घी ज्यादा डालोगे? ओके, नाउ द अदर वे राउंड। अगर गलती से घी ज्यादा हो गया है तो क्या होता है? दिया में वो एकदम छोटा एकदम डिम हो जाता है। देन व्हाट डू यू डू? पुट मोर फायर, करेक्ट। Yin tonifies the yang, and yang tonifies the yin. Correct? Okay. Switching this to the understanding of Shiv Swarodaya. एक first basic step cover करता हूँ. During the day, the sun is out. What am I saying? The yang strengthens the yin. Correct? All our yin organs, there are 6 major yin organs: lungs, the heart, the liver, pancreas and both kidneys. 6 yin organs. इन सब के organ clock time, इनकी energy activate and deactivate from morning 7 o'clock से evening 7 o'clock तक ये चलते हैं. और basically 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening, to be more precise. And you go, but तो opposite हो गया, correct? If you breathe through the day, so opposites will attract. If sun is out, you breathe as much as possible consciously through the left nostril, correct? Because the solar will provide strength to the lunar, okay, which is connected to all the yin organs of the body, okay, which are also all the producing organs of the body. Your pancreas, your liver, your kidneys, ये सब का टाइम दिन में आता है, ठीक है? उनको स्ट्रेंथन करना है. You have to breathe from the left nostril as much as possible through the day. Other way around, when the moon is out, we say sleep on the left shoulder, so automatically the right nostril is more active or dominant. Lunar energy is consumed. What did I say? Yin tonifies the yang, yang tonifies the yin. Okay? It will consume that energy, and solar, it will nourish all the yang organs of the body, which is basically your large intestine, your small intestine, your gallbladder, your pancreas, basically your pericardium, okay, and triple wormer. Getting this? यहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा है? इसको ड्रॉ करके भी समझाता हूँ. I don't want to take this away because there is a lot to cover in this. Till here clear? Yes. Confusion है? नहीं है ना? So now my question to you. Singing bowl आपको सबको दिखाया मैंने. What is the right methodology to use them for maximum benefit?
Navel. Place it on the navel. Place it on the navel.
That is one. Breathing with it. 2.
रात में strike.
दिन में remain. And रात में striking. Okay. When do you generally get time? रात को. Correct? Night is when the producers also want to rejuvenate. Yang or yin is what you need. Correct? But I said कि nostril yang चालू रखो, तो रात में balls को striking कर सकते हो. It will work more fantastically. It will nourish and strengthen the entire body. It will make you very agile, very. कल रात को सबको नींद आया एकदम flat. But how aware were you? How aware were you? Highly aware sleep?
Yes.
How do we know that? I was into deep sleep.
You were in the deep sleep.
But still, for
कोई उठाता था फटाक से उठ के
But how was your sensory awareness of everything?
too much actually. I could not sleep so much.
Hmm?
It was 2 o'clock. I could not sleep because the awareness was too much.
Exactly. Awareness was too much.
2 बजे we woke up. It was like सुबह 6 बज गया है.
Correct? That is what it does. Excess strength आ जाता है. It strengthens. Tomorrow, if possible, we will try to do the Surya Kriya. Okay. The amount of energy that builds in the physical body. Look, I practiced it for a good 6 to 7 months before I was like, हाँ ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. अभी जरूरत नहीं है डेली करने का. There used to be a time when there is so much energy running through your body. You feel as if you can punch through a wall and nothing will happen to you, and literally you feel that. Okay. Most people have no clue of what real energy is. Okay. Again, coming back to what are you supposed to be doing?
Excuse me.
Can we do this? Oh. Can we do this very gently? I will not even give you counts. You make your own mental counts. Let's do this 50 times. Okay? Very gently. Don't be in a rush. 3:2 में बहुत फास्ट करवा रहा हूँ. Correct? अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ उतना ही उसको स्लो डाउन. Listen and learn. Also become aware of my holds. बाह्य कुंभक कितना बड़ा ले रहा हूँ मैं. I have not breathed in it right now. Okay. I am still out only. Correct? Exactly like the ocean waves. The same rhythm. Am I creating it on purpose? No. This again simply comes from the calmness. The moment you are calm, the moment you are quiet, the moment you are decluttered and de-stressed, automatically your body will support. आप खाली 3 बार consciously करो. 4th round से ना, your body will get into the rhythm of it. If you do this, देखो बाकी कुछ नहीं करेंगे ना कल दोपहर तक. सिर्फ ये करते रहोगे ना, बस आई एम प्रेटी श्योर कि 90% ब्रेक थ्रू हो चुका रहेगा. व्हाट आर वी हियर फॉर? अल्टीमेटली ब्रेक थ्रू बस.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ultimately break through. From here till you fall off to sleep, I want you to strictly maintain this rhythm. Let nothing else disturb you. लंच टाइम होएगा, डिनर टाइम होएगा, टी कॉफी होएगा, आजू बाजू वाले को जितना इंटरेक्ट करना था कर लिया. કેમ છો કેમ નહીં બધા મજામાં છે, જીવતા છે, કોઈને કોરોના થયો કોઈને નહીં થયો વાંધો નહીં. ઠીક છે. From here use till tomorrow afternoon only to go inside of you.
Conscious breathing.
Only that, nothing else. You're eating, observe. साला मीठा स्वाद अंदर जैसे ही गया, लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल चालू हो गया, कड़वा जैसे ही अंदर गया फिर से राइट चालू हो गया. I want you to observe this. I want you to observe what activity you are doing and immediately your breath comes from where. You're walking, immediately वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर से ही करेगा, वो नीचे जा ही नहीं पाएगा. You're talking, it will immediately come from here only. Getting it? You're running, it will come from here only. Correct? Getting this? I want you to observe this. If you master this much, rest will discover on your own. I never read any of this. These things are not written in any books. Look, 50 times. Can we start with me?